Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage data settings in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then scroll down and at the privacy settings section, click on the data settings button. And as you can see, there are several things that you can manage within this, like personalized content and third-party tracking. So you can enable or disable them anytime. And you can also request to download your account data. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.